Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is May 31 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Nowak as usual. Early day, a lot of news is released in Germany. This could determine the direction of the euro. Traders are expecting the labor market figures. If the data disappoints, yesterday's situation of rising EU monthly low may repeat. So we are waiting for the data on the number of unemployed and the unemployment rate in Germany. The German Consumer Price Index and the ECB report on financial stability can also lead to a surge in volatility, encouraging buyers of the euro. Traders will also wait for the speech by ECB President Christine Lagarde. For long positions, you can buy euro when the price reaches 1.0704 and take profit at the price of 1.0744. At the price of 0744, we recommend exiting the market and selling the euro, expecting a movement of 30-35 pips from the entry point. You can see the pair rise during the continuation of the uptrend. Before buying, make sure that the MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. You can also buy the euro if the price tests 1.0680. It would happen twice. At that time, the MACD line should be in the oversold area. This will limit the pair's downward potential and lead to an upward market reversal. You can expect a rise to 1.0705 and 1.0744. You can sell euro today after reaching the price of 1.0680 and take profit at the price of 1.0644, where we recommend exiting the market and buying the euro, expecting movement of 20-25 pips in the opposite direction from the level. Pressure on the pair will return amid a deterioration in the labor market situation in Germany. Before selling, make sure that the MACD line is below zero or is starting to decline from it. Today you can also sell the euro after prices test twice of 1.0705. At that time, the MACD line will be on the overbought area. This will limit the pair's upward potential and lead to a downward market reversal. You can expect a drop to the opposite levels of 1.0680 and 1.0644. The next stage is the next major. GBP USD is presented by Dimitris Tapas. Early in the European session, British pound is trading around 1.2391, below the 200 EMA and above the 21 SMA. Located at 1.2365. We can observe that the pound maintains a bearish trend channel formed since beginning of the May. But it could be accumulating and then resume its bullish cycle, and GBP USD could reach 7-8 Muri level. Located at 1.2573. The technical outlook for the next few days shows a small chance of the bullish momentum. But the buyers may find it difficult to overcome the resistance at 1.2450, 6-8 Muri level. The recent optimism due to the increase in the US debt ceiling supports investors' confidence, which is reflected in generally positive sentiment around stock markets and weakens the safe haven dollar. Yesterday, during the European session, the British pound reached 3.8 Muri level, around 1.2329, and gave a strong technical bounce, which saw a move towards the 6.8 Muri level, reaching a high of 1.2449. In case a technical correction occurs in the next few hours and GBP USD rebounds around 1.236521 SMA or 1.2335, this could be seen as a signal to buy with targets at around 1.2451. Additionally, with a sharp break above 6.8 Muri level and 200 EMA, the instrument could reach the 7.8 Muri level. And ultimately, we could expect it to reach the 8.8 Muri at 1.2695. On the contrary, if the British pound falls below 1.2330, a downwards acceleration is expected, which could push the price down to 4.8 Muri, located at 1.2207. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Yakimowicz. Gold has been trading upside as we expected, and we found rejection of the key support level at the price of 1930, which is a good sign for further growth. Due to the strong upside cycle on the mid-long term perspective and rejection of the key support cluster, Petar sees potential for the further growth towards upside references. Upside objectives are set at the price of 1984, and then 2040, and then 2082. Stochastic oscillator is showing fresh oversold condition and fresh bull cross, which is another good sign for the further upside movement. Key support is set at the price of 1930. And finally, here's Lowry Bailey with USD JPY pair focused. Here we go. On Tuesday, despite the price briefly staying above the target level of 140.35, it fell below this mark and is now attempting to consolidate below it. The pair is likely aiming for 138.55, which is the line of the price channel. We expect a reversal and for growth to carry on towards 142.25, the peak of November 21, 2022. The form divergence indicates that the price is likely to follow this scenario. However, if the price manages to stay above 140.35 without falling, it can reach the 142.25 target faster. On the 4-hour chart, yesterday's decline found support on the MACD line, blue line on graphic. Now the price is trying to reverse from it and resume the upward movement. The Marlin oscillator may return to the positive area and provide support to the price in the near future. There is a 55% probability of the exchange rate decreasing and 45% of it increasing. That's all for today. See you online soon. Good luck.